like to start by turning on some music. Then I dust the blinds. Look at how much dust and dirt came off just from dusting. Grab a flathead screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to slide the tabs off. Once the tabs are removed, the blinds slide right out. Soak your blinds in a bathtub with a little bit of Dawn dish soap for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, scrub blinds with a cloth or a sponge, drain the tub and rinse the blinds. Then take the blinds outside to dry. While the blinds are soaking or drying, is a good time to clean the windows. Once the blinds are dry, hang them back up. Be sure to slide your tabs back on. Finally, straighten the blinds. You're finished. Here are the blinds before. And here they are after. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.